To a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use Google Books. You go to books.google.com. The link will be provided in the description. If you don't find it, comment below and I'll try to help it because we're a mess uploading videos right now. So I'm just going to search up a book. I'm just going to search up a book about Fortnite. I'm just going to make it up. Fortnite is a popular game and you will see there's a lot of books here. And also you can go and click on search bar to find Fortnite. But let's go back because we were looking for books. So the good thing about books in Google is it helps you make it do a preview, and also it's available on the Google search engine. It makes it like look cool. So let's click on this book. So Fortnite Outfits Connections. After you click on it, you can find the content here, and it will easily show you the every content that's free. Some of them might be not free, I'm not sure, but you can easily find the contents on the left. You can zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. You can click on here, and it will show you like the two-page one. It looks so cool. This is a good feature about Google Books, and you can use this your laptop to read and read the book. You can click on get the book and you can easily buy it on Google Play Books, and some of them might be free. You can click on publish your location and it will show you every detail. And also you can find similar books to find books that are similar to this book, which I cannot really explain, but yeah. You can find the other editions and it's really easy. You can also find like the what is it called? Like the publisher, so the publisher's Epic Games, and that's basically it, guys. You can click on Google Books back, and you can find like let's say Germany. Let's find the book about Germany, and it will show you like more editions preview. You can read the preview for free, I think, and that's basically it. Yeah, it shows it here. But yeah, so it's very basic. It's easy to use. That's basically it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.